I have been interested in Korean culture and Korean language for about 5 years. I've tried with various degrees of success to self-study over the past 2 years, and I feel like if I had to describe it with one word, it would be overwhelming. It was overwhelming for me because I feel like a lot of the materials that I tried to use, I wouldn't move on to the next thing until I fully understood the first thing I covered, and I feel like that made progress really slow for me. So I would just stop for a while and restart, and I felt like I had to start from the beginning. Saw a post a couple of months ago on YouTube on Minji's kind of community channel advertising this course, and I figured that I'd give it a shot, and I knew immediately that I made the right choice. From the first lesson, she had a really casual tone and a comfortable atmosphere that made Korean approachable. It still covered a lot of topics, and I feel like I learned a lot and I made a lot of progress in what I would consider a short time, and it gave me the confidence to revisit a lot of the initial materials that gave me so much trouble. And I think that if you're somebody who's just starting their Korean language learning journey and you're wondering if it's right for you, I recommend that you see a tutor, and I wholeheartedly recommend Minji's course.